Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm NASTEHA.
And I'm Nunai.
And we're the Yusufs.
We make videos about fashion, lifestyle, and if you're new here and you like that type of stuff, definitely stick around and subscribe.
Yes.
We also like to share our luxury purchases because that's something that those are the type of videos we love watching on YouTube.
Yeah.
And we love unboxing videos. So today is a very exciting video.
We're unboxing 3 Chanel things.
It's a Chanel unboxing. It's a Chanel hot girl summer.
A triple Chanel unboxing. Yes.
Yes.
If you saw our Chicago vlog, you would have seen that we bought some things at Chanel, and she also made another purchase from Saks, like via a personal shopper.
Yeah.
So we got everything together at once, so we thought we should just like film it and show you guys all of the exciting Chanel things that we bought.
Yes, we did unbox it for just to share it with our
Real,
Instagram.
yeah.
If you don't follow us on Instagram, make sure you do, because that's where we usually slay every day and share our amazing unboxings
And
first,
how we style all of the things that we buy first.
Yes.
Yeah.
But enough with that. Let's get right into the goods.
Yes.
Let's give the people what they want.
Let's go.
Let's just not even like stall anymore. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing I got is a pair of Chanel shoes.
I'm so jealous. I love these.
Yeah, so I've wanted a pair of Chanel sneakers, specifically in black and white, and I've been like on the hunt for them for literally maybe since September, like fall. And I finally got a pair. So they came in the classic black Chanel box. They came with 2 dust bags, one for each shoe, which I love. I love that.
I always try to stuff both shoe in one dust bag every time.
But some shoes do come with 1 dust bag.
No, most of my shoes that came with 2 dust bags, I'm always like,
they're $850 plus tax.
Somebody actually did ask in our last video where we were talking about the Dubai stuff. They're like, cute haul, but do you guys mind sharing the prices for things?
Yeah,
so we're gonna start doing that from now on.
Yes. They came with extra shoelaces, which I love. Here are the sneakers.
Love these so much.
Yeah, so they are suede
And nylon.
So I'm definitely gonna have to get like suede cleaner or suede protectant for them. Charcoal, like very dark charcoal color.
Love these so much.
With like black details. I love
The
the
bottom is so cute.
So cute. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's basically like a basket design.
Yeah.
And has like these tiny little Chanel like circles all over it.
That's so cute.
And the back is super cute as well. But yeah, just a classic tennis shoe. And here is the other one.
So cute.
Yeah, I can't wait to just like
I'm
style them
obsessed.
for you guys.
I'm gonna like secretly looking for them. Like, I'm gonna be somewhere at 2 a.m. looking for these.
She's literally psychotic like that, you guys.
Sometimes I wake up to use the bathroom and I buy things.
You're not okay. I'm pretty sure she'll show up to work one day and I'm like, oh hey, by the way,
you like my shoes?
you wanna go next?
Sure. Okay, so I am so excited about my purchase. I got it in Chicago.
It's
at
a big deal.
the Chanel store inside Neiman Marcus. It's like I've wanted this specific bag for a very long time. In fact, I did mention it in my luxury wish list at the beginning of the year. And so I think in the beginning I kind of wanted it in a neutral color, but then once I saw this color in real life, I was just like, you know what? I have been wanting this specific color in this specific brand, although I wanted a more classic bag, but I think that this bag will probably become a classic for Chanel. So I decided to get it.
If not, then you can always sell it when it goes out of style.
I think this is gonna be a fabulous bag for a very long time.
Bag, definitely.
So let's go ahead and unbox this beauty. I don't know, I feel like I never really buy bags this size anymore, but I feel like this was like
It's a good size.
This is a really good size because you can also wear it crossbody. Okay. It came with this book. Dun, 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 dun. Drum roll, please. And here she is.
She
Ladies
is a
and
beauty,
gentlemen,
honey.
meet my Chanel 19 lambskin red, classic red bag. Isn't this so stunning?
You know what my favorite part about it is?
What?
The gold hardware plus the
Yeah, I
chrome
love that.
hardware. That's
Exactly.
so cool.
I love that it's like mixed, so I can wear it with my mixed stack. It just looks so chic together. Like, are you kidding me right now?
It looks like money, honey.
Who is she? And I just love that I can also wear it crossbody. Like, I'm obsessed, and I will be rocking this all summer.
And fall and
Yeah,
winter.
it's literally like, I feel like you can carry this color into every season. The inside is also red. Let me just show you.
yeah, it's all red. All red.
It's all red. It is aligned perfectly on the inside, and the hardware is all gold.
Love her for you and me because I will be wearing it. Thank you very much.
You're gonna be helping yourself to it.
Yes.
Oh, by the way, and the price of this bag was $5,100 plus tax.
I also purchased a bag in Chicago. I already unboxed this, and this is my
Attempt at trying to make it look cute.
yeah. So
Same.
I can never in my life like understand how like sales associates wrap like these packages
It's
so
practice,
beautifully.
honey.
Because I can never. But anyways, this was my sad attempt at it. Let's get into it.
This is such a cute bag. It came in like 2 different colors,
Yeah.
and we were dying. If you watched our story during the time we were in Chicago, like you
or
would have
our
seen.
vlog.
Oh yeah, even our vlog. Yeah, like you would have seen that we were like
Trying to
obsessing
decide
over 2
between-
different colors.
We were trying to decide between like 5 bags.
First of all, we wanted everything. Like,
That
there were so
location-
many cute summer colors.
Yeah, that location, if you ever have the chance to go to Chicago, definitely check out that Chanel because they have options, honey.
Yeah. And there was a lady that was helping us, and she was just like the nicest person.
She was a sweetie.
She was such a
definitely
sweetie. She literally opened every case for us. She opened every back door and every alley.
Literally
She
like
showed us everything.
crooks, like everything. But anyways, enough with that. My bag, hello.
Oh, sorry.
Are you guys so excited right now?
My heart is pounding, and I know what's in there.
I also got that book. Does anybody read what's in these like
Does
books?
anyone ever read these things? Like, who even cares?
I'm pretty sure that there's somebody in Chanel that works for Chanel that goes
That's-
through a lot of trouble
that
making
goes.
these.
I used to work with that department in my old job. Oh, okay, yeah, I get it now.
It's basically like what the materials are,
Yeah.
like, you know, all that stuff.
And then I have no idea what this guy is all about.
I think it's like a cleaner, like you clean your bag with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And then
Okay.
there's an actual like
Like a
with
book,
all
yeah.
this.
Somebody wrote a book and it's in there.
If you're interested. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back together. So.
All right, so my bag, I ended up choosing a mini little yellow Chanel
So
bag. You guys,
cute.
are you okay? Like, are you serious right now? Like, are you kidding me? First of all, this has been on my wish list, I kid you not, since I was like in high school.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
Like, I've wanted a little bright Chanel, like a mini bag for the longest time. I wanted either a bright red, a bright green, or a bright yellow. So
I'm so happy for you.
I got that. And I'm probably gonna get the other ones too.
Oh.
It's always just like, you know, when you want something for so long and you
Yeah.
can finally get it, it's like, why the hell not?
Just
right?
go. Just buy
But
it
yeah.
every color like a t-shirt.
My favorite part is the fact that this chain is like so unique.
It is.
I'm not sure what this collection is, like what year, or I mean, I'm pretty sure it's recent.
Yeah.
But it has like these little like gemstones in like the prettiest colors. There's 6
Love
of them. And I really like this like brushed gold color. It's not like a bright in your face gold. It's very like muted, very classy. And it's not like a bright yellow.
It's almost like a pastel.
It's a very pastel yellow, which I love, and I feel like this is year round. I don't know about you.
I'm gonna wear it. I'm wearing it. I don't care.
Yeah,
I don't know what time
definitely-
it is.
Yeah, I feel like I can wear it like all year, like literally every season. Inside is also the same exact color. It's the rectangular mini, if you're wondering.
And what was the price, sweetie?
I have no idea.
I think it was about 38.
it was 43.
40. Oh, sweetie, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Chanel pricing has definitely gone up because
Yeah.
I remember these minis were in the 3000s.
Yeah.
But now you're looking at maybe like if you go to Chanel,
Sweetie, just bring your cash.
Sweetie, don't leave anybody at home because you're gonna need all of it.
That was it, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, let us know. Let us know which piece was your favorite. If you guys have any plans to buy anything Chanel this year,
let us know what you're thinking of getting and what's on your wish list.
Yes, for sure.
And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate you guys' support and for you guys always just like tuning in and clicking on our videos. We love it.
Yes. And if you are just happen to pop up and see us today for the first time, please subscribe. Hi, hello, welcome. Make sure you subscribe. You will not be disappointed, sweetie.
Yes, we make videos like this all the time and we would love to have you join us. And if you want to further see how we style these pieces and you're just like obsessed with them and you want to just like see how they live on, definitely check us out on Instagram. That's where we slay every day.
Yes.
And where we just like, you know,
live our best lives.
Yeah, share our outfits, live our best lives. So join us there as well. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you in our next
video.
one.
Bye.
Bye guys.